What's going on, guys? Back here again with another video. It's been a while since you guys have seen me. Now that I got some time and got myself situated, I have another vlog for you guys, all right? And here's one of the first big updates that you guys should know about me. You ready? I got a new car. And if you know, if you've been following me on Instagram, or if you've seen the last vlog that I uploaded on Baris and Teal channel, you'll know that I got a new Tesla. You can go right here. Boom, baby. Look at that. Yes, right now I'm charging right now. I'm at 61%. It's 6 o'clock right now. So after I'm done charging here, I'm gonna head to the gym, get a nice lift. I haven't worked out in a while. I've been so focused on getting myself organized and preparing myself for this new car and preparing to move out into a bigger apartment. So a lot of moving pieces, but after I get that lift in, I'm heading to the beach. I told you guys also, if you've been following me on Instagram, I told you guys I got a drone, right?
It's like an airplane. I mean, not airplane. Okay, we're gonna wait till you go over the water.
So we're gonna head over to the beach today, and I'm gonna play around with the drone, and you guys can see what that's looking like and how fun that is. After that, I got some black aftermarket wheels that I want to put on this Tesla. So I'm gonna do that at home. That should be fun. Show you guys the installation process of that. And that's all I have set up for today, but anything is possible. Anything can pop up. So stay tuned, guys. I hope you're ready for this adventure we're gonna go on today. I hope you're ready for this new video. I hope you're ready to level up, because I know I am. Yes, sir. Catch you guys in a bit. Let's go. Alright guys, what's going on? I just got to the gym. I just parked. I wanted to show you guys real quick because I didn't really get to show you guys. That's my baby right there. Ooh, look at her. Check me out. Yeah, baby. It's a 2024 Model Y with the, damn, I forgot what this red paint is called, but it was extra for the red paint. I had to do red. It's my favorite color. Yeah, came a long way from the Camry. Yup, and for those who really know me, came a long way from the smart car. And if you really, really know me, came a long way from that Honda CBR 250, baby. Blessed and highly favored. And if I did it, anybody can do it. All right, that's the car right there. I'll show you more later, especially when I put the wheels on. You guys will check it out. But right now, like I said, I just got to the gym. I'm getting ready right now. Catch you guys when we get inside. Let's go. Look who's here, guys. Active by Teal. Wow. Okay, see you guys at the car. All right, guys, what's going on? As you just seen, I just had a great gym session. right? I met Babe out there too, so everything is lit. It's a good day. But real quick, before I leave and head to the beach, I want to show you guys what the car looks like in the sunlight. Boom. Well, it's not really shining light, but check it out. Tell me that shit doesn't look nice, baby. That thing clean. Yes, sir. And when the light shines on it, like the sunlight, it's way better. It freaking looks so beautiful. And as you see, the wheels are white. Like I said, I gotta put on the black wheels that I got, so it'll look a lot more sporty and badass too. Right now I'm about to head over to the beach so I can fly the drone and then you know, get some nature time out there, get some meditation time out there, and enjoy the views, enjoy the vibes.
Cool birds calling, it's in the trap for me. New low, back on the road, coming to work for me. 4 in the morning, yawning, birds calling.
What's going on, guys? Back here again. I already said that. What's going on, guys? I made it to the beach. As you can see, it's over there, the waves, you hear it, you see the palm trees. I'm in the parking lot right now, setting this baby up. Boom. Say hello to my drone. You guys haven't seen her yet, but now you do. It's DJI Mavic 3 Pro. Look at that bad boy. I'm about to turn it on right now. Here's see, I got the whole carrying box for it. I got everything, bro. I got the controller right here. Let me start it up. Start that bad boy up. Then we gotta start this up. Yes, sir. There's that. Okay, I'm gonna get this thing set up, ready to go, and then I'll get you guys back so you can check it out. Go. Is he gonna land right on the... Oh. Ah. Not quite, but I guess it's good enough. Anyway, that's it. I'm done playing with the drone. Right now, I'm gonna get me some sunlight, chill out here, meditate a little bit by the waves. Then I'm gonna head back home. Then I'm gonna eat, shower, change, and then we're gonna get out here and put these black wheels on my stock wheels because I don't want the stock wheels. You know what I'm saying? So that's that. I'll catch you guys when I get back to the house. See you. Real quick, guys, I want to show you the rims that I'm installing onto my Tesla right now because I'm about to do that. See, I got these off Amazon. Ooh, this shit's legit, baby. When I ordered my Tesla, I ordered it with the black wheels. After waiting for 2 weeks, they ended up pushing back the delivery date for my Tesla 2 freaking months. And honestly, I didn't want to wait. They wanted me to pick it up in August, and I was like, forget all that. So I was checking their inventory because when your car gets pushed back, they allow you to choose from their inventory if you don't want to wait. So I checked their inventory and they had the same exact car that I ordered, but with the white wheels, the regular silver wheels. And at first I didn't want it, but then once they pushed my stuff back to August, I was like, man, I went back on the inventory. I checked if they still had it and they did. So I got that one. But then I went online and to look for these aftermarket wheels from Amazon and I ended up getting them. I think it was like $150. I don't know. I'll put the little picture right here so you can see exactly what I got. And I'll put a link to it down in the description below. But the Tesla wheels that were black, those were like 500 something, I think. These things I got off Amazon, that shit was like $150. So win-win, and they look good. So I'm about to go put those on right now. You guys come with me. I'll meet you down there. Let's get it. All right, guys, I just got done putting the wheels on. Ready for the finished product? 1, 2, 3. Boom! Ooh, look at that. See? It changes everything, doesn't it? It makes it look more sporty. It was looking like okay with the regular silver wheels, but now with the black wheels, this shit looks like it's the sport version. I like it, baby. Check that out. Yeah. See? Nice. I just gotta clean it. I'm gonna take the car to get a touchless wash, and it'll handle all those little stains right there. I got some oil on my fingers, but no big deal. Look at that. Ooh. All right, guys, there we have it. All right, now I'm gonna go back inside. I'm gonna take a shower because I was sweating crazy doing this, and I don't know what I have else to do today. I'm pretty sure that's everything. I'm waiting for Babe to come home so then we can probably go out to Sunset. I'll catch you guys at the next spot. See you.
Teal, T-E-A-L.
Teal. Okay, got it. Takes like 5 minutes, yeah?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Said T-O-E-A-L. That's it.
Spelled it completely wrong. Anyway, what's going on, guys? Back here again. Part 2 of the day. Now it's like a couple hours later. Took a nap, all that. Just woke up. Baby's back. Say hello. Hi. And we're going to get some dinner for her. Well, for both of us, I guess. Nothing much major happening today. Just chilling.
Just chilling, driving the Tessie.
Driving the Tessie. She loving it. She loves it. She might be the newest owner too. Who knows what's about to happen next? I'm telling you, once you drive this, it's kind of hard to go back to a regular car.
It is.
Honestly, I don't even want to go back to a regular car. Just the technology of everything, just the way that the car drives, everything about it. It's like...
It drives like, I don't know, like 10 times smoother than a gas car, I feel like.
For sure.
Like with a gas car, it feels like do. With this, it's just like...
Yeah. And then the coolness factor of it.
As if you're like gliding on water, kind of.
I do wish this was retractable, this glass roof.
Oh, did you see that? It made a noise when it turned green.
Yeah, it lets you know, so you can't sleep at the light. Anyway, we're about to get some dinner. We'll catch you guys in a little bit. What's going on, guys? Back here at the house. I forgot to update you guys. I forgot to vlog when we picked up the food, but we did pick up the food. She got some fried chicken. I got some soup because I wasn't feeling my best today. But anyway, that's the end of the vlog. I hope you guys liked it. I know it wasn't much going on, but it was some cool stuff today. Can't even lie about that. Like, comment, subscribe if you like what you see and you want more content. New video will be out soon. Don't forget to check out my Baris and Teal channel. That's with me and my girlfriend. Check that channel out. I'll be updating a lot more on that channel than this channel. But yeah, guys, I hope you got some motivation from it, some entertainment from it, something from it, all right? See you guys in the next video. See you.